In this video we will talk about a natural remedy for gingivitis, toothaches, and mouth sores. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Everyone has a variety of bacteria in their mouth. Some have more than others. This bacterium helps you by beginning the digestive process. Excess bacteria in your mouth have now been found to cause more than tooth decay, gingivitis or gum disease. So, you need to know, even though you might not have gingivitis, how to control these plaque-building bacteria in your mouth. Bacteria that create gingivitis live in your plaque and cause your gums to inflame, bleed, and separate from your teeth. You can also have bad breath when you have gingivitis. In more severe cases, your gums become sore, teeth hurt, gums recede, and teeth loosen. To stop the inflammation and gum separation, use this natural remedy to kill some of these bacteria and strengthen your gums in your mouth. Here are the herbs and the formula you will need to make a remedy for a mild case of gingivitis. 2 parts white oak bark herb powder. 1 part myrrh gum herb powder or granules. 3/4 part peppermint leaves converted to powder. Part anise herb powder or seeds. 1/8 part clove, powder. If herbs and leaves are not in powder form, grind them in a coffee grinder. Use this formula to make as much powder as you want. Place the mixture into a small container. I usually use a small unused vitamin bottle. I usually mix a small amount and use a tablespoon as my measuring tool. For example, 2 tablespoons of white oak, 1 tablespoon of myrrh gum, tablespoon of peppermint leaves, and so on. The measurements do not have to be so precise. How to use it. To control bacteria in your mouth, use this powder once a week. If you have gingivitis, you can use this 3 times a day. Place some powder on your toothbrush and brush your teeth and gums. After brushing, spit out, a few times, the saliva and residue powder. Don't rinse out your mouth since you want to keep the active herb powders in your mouth. You can swallow any that remains in your mouth with no problem. This powder combination is bitter, but quite powerful and will get the job done. You can add more peppermint powder to make it less bitter, if you like. For severe cases of gingivitis and toothaches, you can also moisten some powder with distilled water and then place the paste all along the teeth and gums, front and back. Leave the paste in your mouth as long as you can. Don't worry about the herbs getting in between your teeth. This remedy works. My wife was scheduled for a root canal last year and a few weeks before her tooth started painting and couldn't sleep. So I made this remedy. She just placed the powders around the painful area. It wasn't long before the pain stopped and she was able to go to sleep. There have been other clients that have used this remedy for a month and successfully avoided having the dentist apply gingivitis treatment. In cases of severe gingivitis, go see your dentist and at the same time use this remedy. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.